In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can level up fast here in War Thunder. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what I'd recommend doing is sticking to one nation and one vehicle line if you're trying to level up fast. This will keep your progress focused and a lot faster. I like to stick with the USA right here. Just avoid switching between multiple vehicles too often. That's going to slow you down pretty consistently. On top of that, what you're going to want to do is complete your daily tasks and battle pass challenges because they will give you extra XP and rewards just for completing them. And of course, just make sure that you're playing consistently and finishing objectives each match. Objective-based gameplay is going to increase your XP pretty significantly as well. On top of that, if you do have any XP boost, like as you can see, I kind of have XP boost right now. Use those if you would like. But that really is it. Those are the things that you can do in order to level up fast here in War Thunder. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.